right, well, we're gonna start framing the walls here. So I've cut out the two bottom plates for this back wall. That'll be for the eating area and the bathroom. I'm going to take the two plates and clamp them together here, and then we'll lay out all the studs, put it up on the floor, assemble it, sheet it, stand it up. Got these Gelwin windows. These are nothing special. They're kind of cool, black on the outside. These are low E argon gas, so they should perform well, good insulation. We're going to frame our first RO. I like to go a ½ inch bigger than the window each way. So we got this first wall roughed up. I've got some of these flat boards here. They call these cow corners, a lot of people do. This is where another wall will intersect it. So on the inside, the wall goes down the middle. It gives you a place to nail your paneling. Got them in the corners there. That will receive the perpendicular walls. And then we've got a window framed in here. So a little unorthodox window framing. You may notice there is no header above that window. Once these walls are done, we are going to make like a timber frame structure that goes around the entire plate and sits on top of the wall. And that beam will actually become the header for the window. Well, there's a wall. That's the first one, not without its flaws. We cut back for a stud that was on wall layout instead of plywood layout, so it put us a little bit off, but piece of cake, we're all done. This plywood here is GP, Georgia Pacific Force Field. I think it's kind of, I don't know, I don't want to say it's the poor man's version of zip, but probably it is. It's got a coating on it, very similar product. It's what's available by us. It really wasn't that much more money than regular OSB. And actually, I think it is less expensive for this than regular plywood with Tyvek on top. What's the first step in signing up for carpentry school? Sending in a stool sample. So for the second time, we got bit by making this a little bit wider. I got greedy and wanted a little more room. So we made this deck 200 inches wide. So our plywood didn't work. We had to get some more. And I bought 16-foot material for top and bottom plate, and they weren't long enough because, well, 200 is more than 16 foot, 200 inches. So what we did was we built the end walls first, or the side walls, so that the wall that was left would be between them. I didn't even cut these, and they both fit with absolutely no room to spare, so that was perfect. What we're going to do is build this wall. We're going to sheet the middle of it out to the end. Then we will stand it up and run our sheeting past the corner. Kind of tie the walls together. Ready? I'll take some studs. All right, that ought to hold for a little bit. We have to put these screws in such a way that we could get them back out when we go to take the walls apart. So if you put them in this way, and then we sheet over it, we'll never get the screw out. So a couple tacks to hold it together, a few in the plate. Get this backside sheeted. I've been told that I'm unrecognizable lately. I think it's because I put the suspenders back on my tool belt. So I'm excited to try that out. Let's see how it works.